this is my computer. This was an HP Xeon machine, and I upgraded all the processors and everything in it. Right here in the drive bay, there's 6 fans. They run at 5 volt or 12 volt. There's 12 volt, 5 volt, off. And then down here, there's a 120 millimeter red fan mounted. On the outside, there's another one with 5 huge holes drilled in there to suck air out. And inside, you can see the extra LEDs glued in there. There's a USB thumb drive that's for extra cache memory from Windows 7. Flashes up, kind of looks cool. Both processors, memory, fan above the memory, and then 2 fans in the back. The power supply that came in the computer. And then I have this one up here, which is going to be hooked up to the video card to power it separately, so that it has plenty of power because it's a stock power supply. That's the next step. And I have all these wires cut up here. The green and the gray wire, have them linked together so that they turn on simultaneously, which I've also found on YouTube on how to do that. So you can run 2 power supplies. The bottom one is 585 watts and the one up top is 600, so quite a bit of power between the two, more than enough. The video card is a Quadro FX 4600 768 megabyte and a PCI 16X Express. This is just the start of the build, almost done. Just trying to do it all air cooled and no liquid cooled. That's just to run the extra fan until I get it wired in.